in Cameroon. Now for boy with me, I go lewa.
Shalom, people of the British Southern Cameroons, citizens of Ambazonia.
You walk at all. You don't get no problem, they shoot you for that door. For that door, right for that door.
Na for Mutengene, na for Mampe, na for Tombo, na for Mwa.
This is a special edition of the Daily Podcast. My name is Capo Daniel. This is a No Conny Talk presentation of a special edition of my daily podcast titled Dancing with the Enemy. As the Ambazonian Defense Forces them, the Ambazonian independent fighters that they take the hit on ground zero.
Yes, now the nonsense is now the motor that. Yes, now the motor that.
Our boys are focused on their mission, taking the bullets every day to fight for our freedom and our independence. Some are training, getting ready to get into battle as the contender force.
Ready. Yes, ready.
Wash the action, wash my neck.
The various forces within the coalition forces them. They train very hard with their unit them. They wait for sticks and granite for deploy into the battlefield. Contender forces all equipped with AK-47 double magazines to be able to knock out the devil and kick out La République du Cameroon forces of terrorism from our national territory. As the war they go on, will be done previously here and get direct information and consultation from the Hague of Sea about a gathering of all the various nationalist movements in our struggle in Brussels to represent us and to build the capacity for us to be able to speak as one man and dialogue in case there is a need for dialogue with the enemy in order to secure a peaceful resolution of our choice of independence and exit from the cursed union we find ourselves in with La République du Cameroon. Alarm have been raised by Marc Barata regarding what we have been talking all about of direct communication between Samuel Sarko and the regime of Mr. Paul Biya. The latest alarm they come as now news they come say the leaders them for that Niba Fontem a group that want travel again go for Switzerland. This time they will surely get a direct communication, a direct negotiation with La République du Cameroon.
Cited. They want go to Switzerland 4 or 5. I get now all transcript. I get all transcript, all documents. So that backdoor meeting, listen, those frontline leaders, they don't already attend 2 or 3 to 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, those pre-talks.
Those 3 to 4 leaders, na Samuel Sarko, Dr. Ebenezer Akwanga, John Ba Akuru, Bo Herbert, a breakaway faction of the Republic of Ambazonia, and Sali Liwowo, one of the unknown faces them for organization never known to most of us. Them say they don't get na pre-talks, but information they come from La République du Cameroon where they confirm what you would already know. Say they don't get direct communication with the enemy without consultation with the leading factions of the revolution, with the leading military who are fighting on the ground, dying every day.
Déjà vous dire que contrairement à ce que beaucoup peuvent penser, les prémices du dialogue sont encore en place. Pour ceux qui sont bien informés, ils peuvent savoir qu'il y a une organisation suisse qui a essayé de rapprocher les Ambazoniens et le gouvernement, et les Ambazoniens se sont exprimés à travers les vidéoconférences. Il y a d'autres.
So now La République is sourced that way. They talk over national TV. Say they already get, for people who they don't be informed, they already get direct communication. Some leaders for Ambazonia, they don't express themselves through a video conference with La République du Cameroon, their officials. So the worrying thing, no be say, some leader they don't get a pre-talk as if it talks in a pre-talk, but we don't hear now in a direct communication. The two major factions, the two leading movements for our struggle, the interim government led by Seseko Ayok Tabi and the Hague of Sea led by Dr. Ayabacho were not involved in those communication or those discussions. Nevertheless, I will report for now the two various means and way it go on for dialogue and possible negotiation with La République du Cameroon. One, now the discussion will be take place with some organization for Brussels, and the other one now the one way it take place for Switzerland. I believe in the need for give empowerment for the people by giving them knowledge of what is going on, because the vanguards, the true vanguards, now the knowledge we want people then get them, their ability for express themselves and for stand for things we go protect their interests. So for these purposes, I will advocate by presenting to the Ambazonia people exact knowledge about what is going on and the characters that are involved. To respect the protocol and ethics, I'm going to keep aside the name of both organizations that are involved. Interestingly, the organization will be gather our people then for Brussels, not before negotiation or dialogue, but for build the capacity for such. When the other leader them, they be involved, all the various movements, they were invited there, me they can do consultation, me they can build the capacity for we for be able to stand like one person dialogue. And that time they come up for those organizations where they be there for Bo Herbert in particular be make a publication for tell Ambazonia people them wait to be happen for day. It will be a public thing, public image, public knowledge and everything. But wait to happen for Switzerland, they be keep them very secretive. I want to understand say tin way bad, where the one do some tin way it no be correct, you de hide them. In particularly, they no be hide the one for Brussels way be equal to what they supposed for the do for Switzerland, but they be choose for hide one. No be only say the people the way na the major leaders them where they get the most organized and most viable representation of organization that is leading the struggle, they no be involved, but also because they know deep in them say something be wrong with which way they do them. First of all, keeping aside the name of that particular institute where they help the people them for Switzerland, who believe say they work for La République du Cameroun their interests, where to be that organization for Switzerland. From initial contact, we be done get the information from our research. The AGC they be tell me to say they be done be contacted by this same institution, but then reject that application because their consultation with their international partners and their own internal investigation be bring information say that company for be a viable, could be the most neutral of organization that for stand for mediate between us and La République. What the Ambazonia people they need for understand. Now say the company where the institution where they behind this Switzerland initiative, the institution be start this work for contact Ambazonia their leaders them since early 2018 where they be engaged. This Switzerland Institute become about for start help for bring this negotiation as a result of one multinational company where it be involved for trade for cocoa. Because since we start this struggle, we'll lock down CDC, will bring down all exportation of natural resources, then for make sure say the enemy way it perpetrate terrorism for our territory, no go get resources then from our territory for fund themselves. So due to this action, one of those company then where they benefit, they sell cocoa, called Barry Colbert Company. This company, interestingly, now one of those company then where it come up for France, where they be exploit Africa during the time of colonialism. Now as a matter of fact, now one of those company the way Charles de Gaulle, when he set up this France-Afrique system, be actually he partners they be actually set up this company them for act with the French Secret Service for continue for exploit African countries them even after they don't give them political independence, still controlling their economy. So this Barry and Colbert, the company come about Nasewiti. The first company, when the French company, will be formed by one of the associates of Charles de Gaulle, called Charles Berry for France. They be formed that company right from 1842. Now, one of the multinational, then that way they exploit Africa. This particular company, it will make a merger with a Swiss company where they joined together called Colbert. So now the Charles Berry company join with that Colbert, then form this company where they call them now Barry Colbert Company. Now company where they exploit coffee, they produce cocoa them. They don't exploit other African countries them very badly, including even Ivory Coast, where they exploit even for territory the way they don't classify them for by United Nations, say me na preservations them. They see exploit those areas them, forget cocoa, go sell them. This company they are now one of the most powerful institutions the way that they even use government them. So the company Barry and Colbert engaged with the Swiss government, made them talk for Mr. Paul Biya for try to see how they fit solve the problem so that they fit protect their interests for Cameroon for begin to get cocoa them. This one lead the Swiss government for send their ambassador for Cameroon, Mr. Pedro Lanziri, on the 22nd of May 2019, where he can meet up Mr. Paul Biya he talk for Pobia how they fit do solve the problem so that me export begin to go on. In that meeting where it take place for inside Yaoundé, the Switzerland ambassador be carry the chief executive officer for that Barry and Colbert food processing company. Me then go meet up Pobia together for Yaoundé. As the Switzerland their government introduced this company, their chairman for Mr. Pobia, now for day way then get now a deal. Say me Pobia a government guarantee them more access for Cameroon their cocoa them. In return, they go create normalcy. They will make a meeting and come back normal for inside Ambazonia. From information the way they come right from Cameroon, including one the way they come up from journalism, that company be tell Pobia say they be already engaged, try for contact some of our leader them for our struggle, study our struggle, try for meet up the one the way they meet up and for discuss already since early 2018. Mr. Pobia Bimvondo be very clear for them say a government fit discuss only on one Cameroon and decentralization agenda only. So now after that meeting with Mr. Pobia, where the company now, Barry Colbert, be contact the company, the institution for Switzerland, make it immediate me come now for fulfill their mission, for engage in dialogue in order to resort to a ceasefire and a resumption of exportation of cocoa from Ambazonia. From our understanding, Barry Colbert be done already engaged with some Ambazonians for study for make sure that they will be able to guarantee exploitation of our resources, including undercover or influence mission them for try for disrupt our activities and for stop CDC and many other projects the way it go on. So they will be very confident, say they get people them from Amazonia where they fit deliver on this their mission. One source for within the Hague of Sea leaked for me to say Samuel Sarko they be done actually initiate that contact them because those companies they be worried. Say the ADF and other faction they for ground zero they need to fall in line with their policy the way their other people the way they be done already agree for work with them be the do them within the struggle for Ambazonia. But they be decline them. I don't even get a transcript of screenshots between the person for Sarko side will be contact one of the people for Hague of Sea for talk for them about that concern of Sarko no get absolute control or influence over the ADF. So the Switzerland Institute where it try for bring that Pobia side with Ambazonia side, the way the Ambazonia side they look now one the way it will be in accordance with their mission. Now a private company where it be specialized for conflict prevention and end of war and hostility. The composition of those people where they don't select them, me then come go for that Switzerland, probably reflect the agenda of that institution itself and their ability to deliver on their objective where you go suit their customer when a Barry Colbert. So the Switzerland Institute, now private one where they receive money from private people them and including company them where it be linked with France, a French company where na exploitation company, new colonialist company. The Barry Colbert na they give them money. Compare that one with the institute where they for inside Brussels, where na they bring all the leader them for capacity building. No be self-send and negotiation na capacity building self. The Brussels Institute na a European-backed institute where be created and no be just a private company, na a non-profit organization. Their objective, their primary objective, na for contribute to global peace agenda of the European Union through mediation and dialogue. Unlike the donors of those Swiss company, when a new colonialist multinational partners of French Secret Service, them this other one for Brussels, na an institution where it be created by European parliamentarians them. The statutes of its creation be signed by ministers of Belgium, Finland, Hungary, Luxembourg, Poland, Sweden, and Switzerland. Them be more neutral because in the multitude of this country, most of them way no be hardcore colonialist country them we could find at least some level of fairness for the formation of this company. It will be pushed by European parliamentary members them, in particularly Nobel Peace Prize winner and former Finnish President Matti Ahtisaari. Now a betrayer for the Ambazonia people them, for any leader them, for jump front, begin be excited as described as Mark Barata, for go begin the dialogue, where they not even be, or they not even get the leading organization and leading factions in terms of the military factions on the ground. without an inclusive consultation of the people on the ground and the various leading factions like that of Siseko Ayuk Tabi. We no feel level me our oppressor people in that they exploit we. Me na them be the one that for choose the mediator. Our exploiter them together with our colonizer. The no she don't agree for choose a mediator where the work now out of their budget for make determination where we go fee say it could be fair for we. Rather, institutions them like the one way it be backed by European Union, it be vetted and recommended by organization like the UNPO, where a legitimate organization where they help other countries to meet and get their own independence, and they don't stand for backward even against a big hegemony like the one where they support La République du Cameroon. For Belgium, the Hague of CEDAW makes submission for country the way they go stand for backward up during time for negotiation. It be premature for begin get direct engagement with the enemy. Now a betrayer for Siseko Ayuk Tabi and the Naira 10, including the more than 2,000 Southern Cameroonians who were a prisoner of war for La République their dungeon, for them for begin go for dialogue with the enemy without any broad-based consultation or even without the consent of those who are in jail. This one is a violation for the Mancho BBC theory of one for all for one. One no be even a matter say no be say na the one for Hague of C, so no go support them. No, na a matter of principle and pragmatism and common sense and decency for that matter. If you do want go enter inside negotiation on behalf of the people of Southern Cameroons and Ambazonian, in particularly on behalf of those who are fighting, the least you can do is to tell them you need to give clarity. You know if you go the negotiate in particularly with a team with people like Sali Liwowo, we'll see how they be planted into this struggle for inside the Fontem Niba, a conference we begin for America. With people the way they work with Patrick Ekema, La République du Cameroon no fit put infiltrators and for inside our struggle where they fight for represent us on a dialogue table. We no fit go the enter for play game where referee and linesman them or they work with one team against one team. Negotiation between Paul Biya and Paul Biya. In a negotiation, normally you go expect for be led, the team for be led by maybe the major leading factions. Now they hand the way they fight for liberate. Now they hand the way they take the leadership for get recognition. Now they be entitled for lead a negotiation or a negotiation effort or a consensus forum for a negotiated team. A team where no go be led by them. It go be properly advised by professionals in those fields of technical know-how regarding the subjects that matters in that negotiation or negotiated settlement to resolve our crisis for independence. We, the people of the British Southern Cameroon Territory, the citizens of Ambazonia, we need to reject anything where if we compromise the aspiration of our people. We need to be vigilant. We need to stand our ground, continue fighting for our liberation while demanding for negotiation in an honorable manner out of that territory in a neutral place with a trusted mediator, and that will reflect the aspiration and suffering of our people, that will have the precondition that we have adopted on all sides, which will include the release of all political prisoners, all prisoners of war, for us to be on the table in a consensus form with our specialists on the table. May our revolution be short. May God protect our fighters who will go out there to fight for us every day. May democracy, freedom, and independence in Ambazonia be forever. God bless you now. Capo Daniel, signing off.
I know say pay battle before this level me, I don't know. Jacare folewa, police enter repa masway, I don't know. Them the whip students, them with sticks. Them the slap lawyers, them for streets. Them they follow we, they drag we. Them molest we, they crack we like say we thief. Them they beat us, they carry us, they go. Them they mash we, they turn we for money.